Welcome! Nandito na tayo sa Yucatan, Mexico. This is our 4th day. So samahan ninyo ako guys, itutur ko kayo dito sa Progreso, Yucatan, Mexico. Before kami bababa, kailangan mag-breakfast muna kami para ganado walking at pasyal-pasyal.
Thank you, Ricky.
Would you like yogurt parfait?
What it is?
Yogurt parfait? All break. This is a good one for the breakfast.
Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you Filipino?
Yes po.
Filipino.
Salamat.
Hi, kabayan.
Hi po. Welcome to the vlog.
You didn't know you were going to be on YouTube.
And the pancake for you, Mary.
Thank you.
Alright. Skillet pancake and for you, Mr. Kim.
Salamat, Ricky.
You're welcome po. Alright, bon appetit. If ever you need anything else to make your breakfast satisfied, please let us
Give
know.
me butter.
Thank you.
Yes. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Nakadak na yung barko namin. Aantay na lang kami na bababa. Ayan, yung iba bumaba na sila. So, wait lang kami para hindi masyadong maraming tao. Ayan, bumalik kami sa room namin at ito yung nadatnan ko. Meron na namang surprise.
Ready? Wanna be together? Wanna be together?
Free dang it. You should get phone.
So, bumaba na kami this is our 4th day. So, we're going now to Progreso, but this is Yucatan, Mexico pier. So, it's, what time now?
10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock p.m. So, we need to be here at 4:30. See, that's our ship here.
Across the whole goddamn pier.
It's already having trouble breathing.
You okay? You all right though? Maybe later. All right, mi amor. Good morning.
Good morning. Turn off this. Nakapila na kami dito. Ito yung bus na free going to Progreso downtown. Sasakay na kami dito. Let's go in the back. Finally, we're here. Good morning. Bumaba kami sa ship namin mga 10 o'clock in the morning. Tapos nag-catch kami ng bus. Free lang ito guys. Papunta kami Progreso. So makatipid talaga kung kayo lang ang magtutour. Tapos kailangan nyo lang alam kung saan yung parking ng bus para makakuha kayo ng free. So yan, ingay-ingay dito. Parang Pilipinas din, di ba? They have massage.
Okay.
No, we got different buses every 20 or 30 minutes. Yeah, the first stop. The first stop, yeah, yeah. Vamos amigos, Gabriel is here.
Okay, first stop.
Watch out, there's the steps.
Watch your step.
Thank you, sir.
Watch your step. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So ito yun ang plaza na mag-catch kami ng bus free pauwi doon sa ship namin. So yan, mga kasama yan namin sa ship.
These are the representatives.
So nandito na kami sa bus station sa Progreso, Mexico. So dito kami babalik papuntang ship namin. So yan yung mga bus na free lang. Ang kailangan mo lang ay magbigay ng tips, that's all. Na yung patron nila guys ay magbayad ka ng 5 pesos na gagamit ka sa bathroom.
Yeah, always.
Watch out, there's steps. There's steps. Excuse us.
Good morning. How are you?
Tour bus, $10 per person. $10 city tour.
A little crowded, isn't
I will
it?
take it. $10
Yes, sir.
family.
Go ahead. I thought you talked to them. I'm sorry. Go ahead. John can tell you exactly. Help you
The beach area? Okay, so a few things y'all need to know about the beach before you get down there. First of all, my name is John. Graf and I both volunteer with the tourist office to give you a little explanation so you have a fighting chance. Totally safe to have. No matter what happens today, you can rest assured this is not the scary Mexico that you read about. This is a very chill, old fishing village. So, having said that, you can accomplish the beach a couple of ways. The beach stop sign, you're going to walk down there about 7 minutes or so, right straight to the beach. The beach is free to be on. Okay, so you need to understand when they tell you that, because they may have said that on the boat as well. Access to the beach is free. You can walk on it, you can sit on it, you can swim in it. If you want any kind of service, tables, chairs, umbrella, you see where I'm going with this, right?
Yeah.
They will charge you down there. So it becomes a question of how much and how clean is the washroom, and am I going to be pestered by local vendors? There's going to be drunks sitting around me. In the public area, you definitely at some point in time through the day may encounter that. If you want to go to a spot that's going to cost you less money in the end, there's one spot. This gentleman right there is talking to these people about it. We've already sent 30 people up there. The only people up there are off the Breezes Carnival. Nobody else is allowed in there unless they're off the boat. Transportation is free from here. It's only 4 blocks up. It's on the same beach. But locals can't go in there because they're not off the ship. It's only $15 per adult to be there. with the transportation free.
They have food and drinks there.
It's a beautiful beach club. They've got American food, Mexican food, full bar, whatever you want.
They have massage.
There is the massages aren't tied to any of the restaurants. They're just scattered on the beach. But once you sit on the beach, you'll see to your left and right. You pick the one you want. It has nothing to do with this actual restaurant. But they let them set up beside them wherever they want, and you just go right to them personally and you make your deal. I will tell you that basically, just so they don't take advantage of you, most of the massage tables on the beach charge $25 for a half an hour and $40 for a full hour. But if it's not busy and there's nobody on their tables, feel free to say, well, you do it for 30. They may do it for 30.
So is the transportation free there and back?
Yes, the transportation right from here is free and back.
And it comes back to right here?
Whenever you want. You don't have to wait for a group. They know they'll take you right back here. The only people that are allowed on the transportation are people off the ship, and the only people that are allowed there are off the ship, so they know they've got to get everybody there back here before the boat goes, and they know 15 per person. I want to do that?
Yes.
I don't want to interrupt them.
Do you have any money?
Yeah.
Visit the Street 80, the main street here in Progreso.
You don't have to worry. He's going to give you a slip so that when you're ready to leave and come back, you give that to the driver. They know that you're with Jose. They bring you right back and drive you right back here again. You can, 15 is only for the rent of your chairs and the use of the place. The drive is free.
Transportation's free.
Yeah, the transportation's free.
Ah.
You live here?
I do so.
Can you tell me where I can find that?
Not too. Just about any liquor store, or if you ask the bartenders, they might.
I don't want to drink it. I want to buy something.
They might tell you up there. You ask them on the side. Or that's what the bartenders. Can you get me a bottle of this? Ask them.
How much should I pay for it?
It depends. That's higher quality stuff. So it could be like 500-600 pesos, which is times 20. You're looking at about $30 probably thereabouts. Depends who you get it from. They know you're here, so they're going to play with that price. But if you act like you all know what it's worth, it'll make it cheaper. Just a heads up.
Oigan, pues nada, los esperamos el día de mañana.
We took a taxi
Sigue usted escuchando
going
la
to the
programación.
beach.
Celebre usted el día de
So
la
we
revolución.
paid
Póngase un
both of
bonito
us
tricolor
$30
y hasta
for
mañana.
just a private beach. It's back and forth. Let's enjoy this vacation, guys.
Si es por mar,
Decoración navideña, 30% en todos los baffles y bocinas KSR, Donker y Robson, y muchas promociones más. Mucho trabajo por hacer.
Mucho tráfico.
Mucho. Lavabos, regaderas, monomandos, sistemas de ducha, espejos, muebles sanitarios y muchos productos.
Plátano a 16.80. Sí, azul 16.80 el kilo. Soriana, Grande, todos los mexicanos. A noviembre 24, aplica restricciones.
La música que arde y suena en todo Yucatán. Estás escuchando Cantera 95.3 FM, XHMH. Transmitiendo con
De la costa yucateca. Informó Notirraza Andrea Zapata.
Información oportuna cada 2 horas por las emisoras de...
So, Los Mariscos de Chichi. Okay, hi.
On the beach?
Yes.
Yes.
See.
Welcome.
You. What's your step? Thank you so much. Welcome. Oh, it's just here. Right? Look. What's this one? What do you say?
This is the beach of Progreso, Yucatan, Mexico. Private beach.
Wanna hammock cigar, one?
No gracias.
Good price.
No gracias. Don't smoke.
Mango.
Mango? You said how much? $5?
$5.
$5?
Mango with tahini.
Mango with
Whatever this is.
Tahim.
Yeah.
Tahim.
spice.
Spices. It's
No.
spicy. No.
Tahin. Okay.
Tahim.
5 pesos for mango.
Little more.
Oh, 5
Little more.
more?
It's okay.
That's
Okay. Lemon.
lemon. Yeah.
See.
That was yesterday where we were.
It is chamay and sure. Sweet and sure. Sweet and sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I got those. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Put in there. So, yung husband ko kumakain na ng mango. $5 yan. So, pagkadating namin sa Progreso, Mexico, bumaba kami. So, ano kami, mga 10 o'clock ng umaga, bumaba kami sa barko. Tapos, meron silang free shuttle papunta dito. Tapos, dumating kami dito sa downtown ng Progreso. So every 20 to 30 minutes meron silang free shuttle pabalik sa ship namin. So kinausap namin yung local. So ito yun ang recommended. Mas maganda ito guys. Ang tawag ng beach na dito is private beach. Los Mariscos de Chichi. I don't know kung paano yan basahin. But yan guys. So, free lang ang ano nila. Dadalhin ka dito sa beach resort nila. Pero magbabayad ka $15 per head. So, ang binabayaran namin, kailangan meron kayong ganito guys ha. May receipt kayo. So, $30 para ibalik kayo doon sa terminal ninyo. Kung babalik na kayo doon sa ship ninyo.
Una romántica.
So ito pala yun ang Los Mariscos de Chichi na restaurant. Ito yun ang private na beach resort. So sila yun ang nagmamay-ari dito. So private ito. So yung babayaran mo lang is $15 per head. Kasama na yung pag transportation. Tapos dito kayo mag yung cottage. Yan, free, kasama na. Tapos yung use sa beach nila. Pabalik ninyo. So, meron silang contact. So, sasakay ka lang ng parang taxi, guys. So, mura lang yung private. Tapos dito, yung mga may umbrella, may bayad yan. Yung babayaran mo is $40 to $50. Yung downtown nila is malapit lang sa beach. Kaya maganda talaga. So hindi ka nagmamadali kasi yung last na bus, free bus is 1 hour before departure. So kailangan 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Pero mas mabuti guys, hindi 4 o'clock talaga para meron kang mahabang time. So aalis kami dito yung maaga-maaga pa. See, may renta dito. See, ito yun ang renta. Sombrella 400. I think that's pesos here in Mexico. Sombrella plus mesa, Acelias 400. Tapos Camastro extra is 150 pesos. Mesa extra is 100 pesos. Sila extra is 50 pesos. So, yung time available nila is 9 AM. Pwede ka magrenta to 5:30 PM. Yan lang, may contact sila. Yung ibang salita ng Spanish ay naintindihan ko. Yung iba hindi. Ayan yung asawa ko. Siya yung nagbantay sa namin. Lamisa kasi may belonging kami. Nagdala kami ng kailangan pag pumunta kayo dito guys. Huwag kalimutan magdala ng photo ID ninyo. Kasi hahanapin yan. Pag bumili kayo ng mga gamit dito sa Mexico, they require ID. Tapos kung gagamitin ninyo ay credit card. Tapos yung, syempre yung ID ninyo sa cruise ship para pag ninyo, pagbalik, i-swipe lang yun. Iscan nila. Kagat nila ay white sand. Yan, may nangalalilikod na. Yan o. Kaya ako. Scoop guys. Minsan talaga bigyan natin ng sarili natin ng time. Tapos doon mga 1 mile from here guys, public beach. So, dito kami sa private. Mango juice. Sarap ng mango juice guys. Dito lang ito sa Mexico. Sarap.
And I'll have fish tacos with garlic and chili butter. And maybe
Dos X.
Dos X. You don't have Modelo?
No.
Dos X.
Okay. Octopus tacos and garlic butter and fish tacos garlic and cheese.
Fish tacos. Spicy fish tacos. Octopus tacos, not spicy.
I did my daughter's cell phone. Something in the background. I felt
The same beach that
She's trying to take money out of your account.
Let's go shopping.
where we are.
Where we are? We're in Progreso in Yucatan, Mexico,
Okay.
at the duty-free shop before we get back on the ship.
Hindi na ako nagbihis guys kasi daming sun yung ano ko paa. Galing sa beach.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Mexico.
This morning when we got off, the winds picked up. That's why it's so cold.
Nice vacation. Dinner time. Yung ino-order ko dito ay yung number 6 steak and cheese. Aantay na lang ako na tatawagin yung name ko. So yan, looks so delicious. Let's eat. Kadalasan sa gabi dito kami tumambay kasi nga aliw kasi tingnan ninyo meron mga couples na sumasayaw-sayaw sila at while listening sa live music din pwede kayong umorder ng drinks dito at pagkatapos dito umakyat na kami sa deck 10 para mag-snacks ng pizza.